2024 Hyundai Palisade. We are doing light bar, 30-inch light bar. We're going to mount it behind this grill. To do that, we're going to take the bumper off. First thing you're going to do is, on this, by the tire well, there are clips here. We're going to remove all that. So we already got them out. Just pull these clips out, remove. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So once you have them out, this can be pulled away, and there should be a screws here. We're going to do the same thing on this side. And we're going to pull away this plastic panel and remove the screws. Then we got a whole bunch of clips on the top. Remove that. Okay, on this angle, right here, there's a 110 mil. Some of them have 2, this one is 1. So once you remove this 10 mil from here, move away this plastic panel, you can access that 10 mil right there. You'll do it on same on the other side. Same thing over here. You move away this panel, remove the 10 mil out. Now the entire bumper skin comes off like this. Now, be careful, there are thin plastic clips right about here. And you pull this out gently, like that. The next step is, there's a whole bunch of bolts under part of it. In order to remove the entire bumper, you have to remove those. If not, you can just lean this forward. The right way to do it is to take the whole bumper off. So we're going to take all the bolts off. There are 2 10 mil bolts underneath. There's one here. There's another one here. We're going to remove that. Something on the middle section is protecting it, so we're going to remove those 2 10 mils. Once you have those 2 10 mils on the middle section, the entire bumper comes off. There's only one big plug here. You're going to have to release that, push that middle pin, and pull away that black pin, and it should unplug like this. Okay, so we're going to mount a 30-inch light bulb. I made a little mounting bracket like this. I'm going to put it right here. Make a hole. Did you put washer on it? Right. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Okay. There's a rubber grommet. We ran the wire, trigger wire from there. We're going to put relay, the flash relay. The yellow goes to constant power with the fuse. Blue wire goes out to the light. This is the trigger wire which connects to this. That goes to switch with ignition, and ground you can grab it here. Okay, this is under the hood. We put a switch right there. Customer wanted it there. So this, simply just pull it out. There are heavy gauge wires, not this one. Right here, there is a white wire. This one right here, that is the ignition. So we put a fuse right there. It goes up to this switch. Output of this switch that connects to this white wire we ran to the outside under the hood. And this will be the trigger wire for the relay. We have it outside under the hood. Put 30 amp fuse on the light. You don't need 30 amp, but we put 30 amp. When you tap the power onto the battery terminal, never use this one here. What happens is if you put any terminal on here, you tighten it, it's going to loosen up this terminal, open up a little bit. It never get tightened when you put space on this one. So always use the one behind. That you can use, but this one, if you put anything on it, it's gonna loosen up. There's a clamp that goes inward like this, that tightens it. But if you put space on it, these never get tightened. So don't use this one, rather use this one in the back.